A tropical rainforest is a dense forest that is located in the tropics. That is, the regions around the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropical rainforests cover about 6 to 7% of the Earth's land surface. Some of the most well-known tropical rainforests are located in South and Central America, Africa, and Southeast Asia, with the Amazon rainforest in South America being the largest. The Daintree rainforest of Far North Queensland is believed to be the oldest rainforest in the world. These forests are characterized by high biodiversity, with a wide variety of plant and animal species. The climate in a tropical rainforest is typically hot and humid, with high amounts of insolation and rainfall throughout the year. These forests typically have a stratified vegetation pattern, with a diverse array of vegetation at differing heights. On the equator, sunlight, also known as insolation, strikes the Earth at an approximately 90-degree angle. This results in intense solar energy, as there is a consistent length of day. That is 12 hours a day, 365 days a year. Therefore, regions close to the equator have warm temperatures all year round. Tropical rainforests thrive in equatorial regions since plants love this consistent light that powers photosynthesis. The high temperatures of the tropical regions generates a water cycle whereby the accelerated evaporation of water results in high levels of rainfall. Tropical rainforests receive at least 2,000 millimeters of rainfall each year. The climate of equatorial regions is heavily influenced by the Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ. The Intertropical Convergence Zone is the region near the equator where the northeast trade winds and the southeast trade winds converge, forcing air up into the atmosphere. This is aided by the fact that the intense solar heating of the tropics heats the ground, forcing warm air to rise through convection. The air cools as it rises, causing water vapour to condense into clouds, which eventually leads to convectional precipitation. The position of the Intertropical Convergence Zone changes seasonally. It moves north in the Northern Hemisphere summer and south in the Northern Hemisphere winter, which is the southern summer. This is what is responsible for the wet and dry seasons in tropical regions. In the Northern Hemisphere, the wet season occurs from May to July. In the Southern Hemisphere, from November to February. The world's tropical rainforests are also located close to large bodies of water, namely the oceans. Australia, for instance, is the driest inhabited continent on Earth, with rainforests making just 2.7% of its land area. Yet, prevailing winds blowing over warm ocean currents in the Pacific Ocean allow warm, moist air to rise and form rain clouds. These clouds are blown over the land to the wetter areas of Queensland and northern New South Wales, east of the Great Dividing Range, where most of the tropical and subtropical rainforest types are located. Almost half of Australia's plant families and a third of Australia's bird and mammal species can be found there, plus an abundant diversity of reptiles and insects.